Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unrestrict someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the home screen to go to your profile. Now that you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines menu in the top right corner. This will open a new screen with various Instagram settings. Scroll down to the How Others Can Interact with You section. Under this section, you'll find a list of options. Look for and tap on Restricted. Here, you'll see a list of accounts you've restricted. To unrestrict someone, simply find their name and tap Unrestrict next to it. Once you do that, the person will no longer be restricted, meaning they can now interact with you normally and see your posts and stories on Instagram. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.